Hey there! Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your favorite spot for beautiful, livable home inspiration. Today we are diving into something truly special, a European farmhouse style deeply inspired by the iconic Studio McGee aesthetic. Think warm textures, timeless finishes, curated layers, and that effortless charm that makes every corner feel intentional and soul-soothing. If this is your first time here, we are so glad you found us. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new video, and don't forget to drop a comment below telling us which space inspires you most. Now, let's get into it. Your home's exterior is the very first story it tells, and in a European farmhouse inspired by Studio McGee, that story is one of quiet elegance. Picture white or soft grayish board and batten siding, paired with a steeply pitched roofline. Add black-framed windows with true divided lights for that signature contrast. A reclaimed wood or painted beadboard front door anchors the look beautifully. Window boxes overflowing with lavender, rosemary, or trailing ivy echo that European countryside charm. Shutters in deep charcoal or muted sage elevate the silhouette. Keep your landscaping structured yet soft. Think clipped boxwoods beside loose, romantic plantings for perfect curb appeal harmony. The entryway is your home's handshake, warm, welcoming, and telling. Take a cue from Studio McGee's signature layering approach and build a hardworking yet beautiful drop zone. Install a vintage-inspired coat rack or wall-mounted hooks in unlacquered brass for hats, bags, and coats. Anchor the space with a slim shaker-style shoe cabinet in a creamy white. Add a cushioned bench with woven seating for those quick moments of putting on shoes. Lean an oversized arched mirror against the wall for depth and light. Finish with a natural jute runner mat, a terracotta pot of greenery, and a small tray for keys. Effortless and elegant. In a Studio McGee-inspired European farmhouse living room, every element earns its place. Start with a linen or performance velvet sofa in warm oatmeal or soft cream, the kind of piece that invites you to sink in. Layer a cowhide or natural jute rug beneath a reclaimed wood coffee table. Introduce texture through chunky knit throw blankets and linen-wrapped throw pillows in muted sage, dusty blue, and rust tones. A shiplap or board and batten accent wall creates architectural interest without overwhelming. Style open shelving with a mix of ceramic vessels, vintage books, dried botanicals, and one or two personal treasures. Curated, never cluttered. Nothing channels the European farmhouse spirit quite like a dining room that feels time-worn and treasured. Choose a long live-edge or turn-leg farm table in natural oak or reclaimed pine, the kind of piece that looks like it has hosted countless Sunday suppers. Pair it with a mix of upholstered linen chairs and raw wood benches for that collected over time look. For the table itself, layer a textured cotton runner down the center. Add a ceramic pitcher with seasonal blooms, pillar candles of varying heights in raw beeswax, and a stack of stone-washed linen napkins. Your tablescape should feel abundant yet relaxed, always inviting, never fussy. Studio McGee has taught us that a farmhouse kitchen should feel both hardworking and deeply beautiful. Opt for inset cabinetry in warm white or soft sage with aged brass or matte black hardware. A fireclay apron front sink is non-negotiable. It is the soul of this kitchen. For your refrigerator, choose a counter-depth panel-ready model that blends seamlessly with your cabinetry for a clean, tailored look. A commercial-style range in matte cream or slate anchors the cooking zone with professional presence. Tuck a small, beautifully designed espresso or drip coffee machine into a dedicated beverage station nook beside the upper cabinets. Morning rituals deserve their own beautiful corner. Every home needs a room that truly exhales, and the family room is exactly that. In your European farmhouse, anchor this space with a flat-screen TV mounted above a shiplap-clad fireplace surround. Keep the mantle styling intentional with a large antique mirror, layered candlesticks, and a vintage wooden clock. Choose a plush, performance fabric sectional in a warm grayish tone, wide enough for the whole family to pile onto. Layer in oversized floor pillows, a woven basket for throw storage, and a worn Persian-style area rug underfoot. The goal here is a room that says both, "Come watch a movie" and "Stay a little longer." This is the room that quietly does everything. Design your home office corner around a small, characterful wooden desk, something with a little vintage soul, perhaps with a hand-turned leg or weathered finish. Style it with a unique and petite brass desk clock, a ceramic pen cup, and a small vintage-style radio that brings warmth and personality to your work sessions. On the opposite side of the room or tucked into a window bay, create a reading nook with a slip-covered armchair, a floor lamp with a linen shade, and a low built-in bookshelf painted in a moody, calming hue. This room should inspire and restore in equal measure. Your bedroom should feel like stepping into a beautifully edited boutique hotel in the French countryside. Begin with an upholstered linen headboard in a muted tone, dusty blush, warm grayish, or soft sage all work beautifully. Layer your bedding in washed linen duvet covers, cotton percale sheets, and a quilt or chunky knit throw folded at the foot of the bed. Choose nightstands with a mix of vintage and modern character. A cane-fronted drawer here, a turn-leg side table there. Style them with a ceramic table lamp, a small stack of design books, and a single bud vase. Soft, sheer drapery and floor-length linen filters light like poetry. In a Studio McGee-inspired farmhouse bathroom, even the most utilitarian space becomes a retreat. For your shower, choose large-format limestone-look tiles with a simple niche and a rainfall showerhead in brushed nickel or unlacquered brass. Frame the space with a frameless glass panel to keep the aesthetic open and airy. At the vanity or wastafel, as it is beautifully known in European design tradition, install a vessel or undermount sink atop a painted vanity in navy, forest green, or creamy white. Pair with a round or archtop vanity mirror. Layer in woven cotton towels, a ceramic soap dish, and a small wooden bath tray for a spa-like, curated finish. A true European farmhouse home extends its design language all the way to the garage. And yes, Studio McGee agrees that every corner counts. Opt for classic carriage-style garage doors in a painted wood finish, ideally with black strap hinges and crossbar hardware for authentic barn door character. If your budget allows, barn red or deep charcoal doors make a striking visual statement against white or stone siding. Inside the garage, install wall-mounted pegboard or open wood shelving for organization that looks intentional. A simple utility sink, potting bench, and a few hanging lantern lights complete the look, functional, charming, and unmistakably farmhouse. Your patio is the final chapter of your European farmhouse story, and it should feel like a natural extension of your interior. Pour a concrete or natural stone patio slab and define the space with potted olive trees or large terracotta urns filled with lavender. Choose teak or weathered acacia furniture with outdoor linen cushions in natural tones, a dining table, lounge chairs, and perhaps a hanging daybed or swing. String warm Edison bulb lights overhead for evening ambience. A small outdoor fireplace or fire pit becomes the natural gathering point. Add a rolling outdoor bar cart, woven placemats, and a lantern centerpiece to tie it all together beautifully. One of the most defining hallmarks of the Studio McGee aesthetic is their masterful use of a warm, layered, neutral palette. The secret is working in tones, not just colors. Layering warm whites, soft creams, weathered linens, and aged naturals together so each hue has depth and warmth on its own. Think of it as building a tonal tapestry. Introduce colors sparingly through accents, a dusty blue ceramic lamp, a sage green pillow, a rust-toned throw. Always ground your palette with natural materials, raw wood, wrought tan, stone, linen, which act as the connective tissue between all your tones and keep the space from feeling flat or sterile. If you have ever wondered why some rooms feel warm and alive while others feel cold and staged, the answer is almost always texture. Studio McGee layers texture with extraordinary intention. Rough beside smooth, matte beside sheen, soft beside structured. In your European farmhouse home, make texture your primary design tool. Run your hand through the fabrics before you buy them. Does that linen feel substantial? Does that knit feel chunky enough? On hard surfaces, choose honed or leathered stone finishes over high-gloss polish. Mix metals, a brushed brass lamp beside an aged iron candle holder, for a collected, evolved aesthetic that reads as deeply personal rather than decorator perfect. The Studio McGee philosophy around furniture is one worth borrowing entirely. Invest in a few exceptional anchor pieces and build everything else around them. In your European farmhouse home, your anchor pieces should have genuine character: a hand-turned wooden coffee table, a linen Parsons sofa with slipcover, a reclaimed dining table that tells a story. Avoid sets that match too perfectly. Instead, mix a found vintage sideboard with a new upholstered chair. Look for furniture with honest construction, dovetailed joints, solid wood frames, natural cushion fills. Pieces that are built to last and age gracefully are always the farmhouse right choice, no matter your budget. Accessories are where your European farmhouse personality truly shines, and Studio McGee reminds us that the art is always in the editing. Resist the urge to fill every surface. Instead, style in purposeful vignettes, a trio of ceramic vessels in graduating heights, a stack of linen-covered books topped with a single sculptural object, a dried botanicals arrangement in an earthenware jug. Choose accessories that have provenance: a French market find, a handmade pottery piece, a vintage brass candlestick. Incorporate natural elements in every room: a bowl of pine cones, a branch of eucalyptus, a river stone. Nature will always be the most beautiful accessory in any farmhouse home. Lighting is the single most transformative element in interior design, and in a European farmhouse home, it should feel warm, layered, and intentional. Studio McGee always designs with 3 layers of light in every room: ambient, task, and accent. For ambient light, consider a statement linear chandelier in aged brass or wrought iron over your dining table. For task lighting in the kitchen, install under-cabinet LED strips beneath your upper cabinets. For accent lighting, use table lamps with linen shades and plug in sconces that warm the walls at eye level. Always opt for warm white bulbs around 2,700 K. They replicate the golden hour glow that makes every farmhouse interior look magazine-worthy. Since we are focusing on summer decor, this is your moment to breathe seasonal life into your European farmhouse interior. Swap heavy velvet throws for airy linen ones in white or soft sage. Bring fresh botanicals indoors: trailing ivy, lemon branches, dahlias in antique jugs. Roll up heavier rugs and replace them with natural seagrass or flat-weave cotton for that breezy, barefoot summer feeling. Open your windows and let the curtains billow. Nothing says European summer farmhouse like sheer linen panels dancing in a warm afternoon breeze. On your patio, add a hammock or daybed beneath a pergola draped in climbing roses. Summer in a farmhouse is effortless, organic beauty at its absolute best. You do not need a limitless budget to create a Studio McGee-inspired European farmhouse home. You need intention, patience, and a discerning eye. Start by identifying your anchor pieces and save for quality there, then be creative with the rest. Thrift stores and estate sales are treasure troves for aged brass hardware, ceramic vessels, vintage mirrors, and turnwood furniture pieces. Paint is your single most powerful and affordable transformation tool. A coat of warm white on dated oak cabinets is genuinely life-changing. Shop slow. Build your home one considered piece at a time rather than furnishing all at once. The best farmhouse homes look collected over years, not decorated in a weekend. And there you have it, a complete journey through a European farmhouse home, from the welcoming facade to the sun-warmed patio, all guided by the timeless, soulful design language of Studio McGee. What I love most about this style is its generosity. It welcomes you in, it invites you to stay, and it grows more beautiful with time and living. Your home does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be yours. Start with one room, one corner, one beautiful accessory, and build from there. Design is a journey, not a destination. If today's video gave you even one spark of inspiration, that makes all the difference. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves beautiful homes, and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for fresh design inspiration every single week. We cannot wait to see you in the next one.